can still place your bets. Buy your extra doubles, trifecta, quartet, pentafecta, daily double +1, and your pick 5 tickets. Anytime now, race number 2. All set now. Waiting for the rider of Durango to climb back. All set now, ready to race. Race number 2. And the race is on. My Sweet Leonora from the outside. Moving up is Durango. Through enough. In between runners. Rushing up is Coquette. Backyard Bully on the further outside. And rushing up is the favorite, Panamera. It's now Durango. Followed by entry number 2, Jubilant in second. Durango, Jubilant, and 5 lengths corner back in third is entry number 3. Through enough. My Sweet Leonora. Panamera, the favorite, moving up on the outside, taking the third spot. Backyard Bully running in 6th position. 7 belongs to Coquette. 8 Core Duo. And rounding the far turn, Durango by half a length. Jubilant on the outside. Panamera is running in third by about 4 lengths. My Sweet Leonora is running by Darrell. Backyard Bully by Darrell is through enough, and Core Duo. As they race the final corner, Durango, Jubilant on the outside. Panamera, My Sweet Leonora is running by Darrell. As they race the last 150, Jubilant a long shot by a length and a half. My Sweet Leonora is done on the inside. Jubilant by a length and a half. My Sweet Leonora. Last 50 meters, Jubilant. And nearing the finish line, RC Baldonido on Jubilant. My Sweet Leonora. Number 1, Durango, Core Duo, and Panamera for your fan